Welcome to my fast news segment channel. You can view quick news in few minutes. Telangana government is planning to establish a hub near Shamshabad to turn Hyderabad into medical tourism destination, announced Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy on Saturday during the 24th Foundation Day of Basa Vatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy said that the health hub will have facilities that can provide the best treatment to anybody. Revanth Reddy lauded Indo-American Cancer Hospital dedication in providing cancer to the lakhs of patients over the last 24 years. He acknowledged the hospital's founding by N.T. Ramarao and growth under N. Chandrababu Naidu. The two Telugu states, while competing with each other, will stand as a testimony to the world in people's welfare, he said. Radiation oncologist Nuri Dattatreya recounted the hospital journey from his inspection to his current stature. Hospital chairman Nandamuri Balakrishna thanked the Chief Minister for renewing the land lease, a matter pending for 5 years. He affirmed his commitment to continue his father mission and expected the gratitude to the donor and assured that the hospital would maintain its not-for-profit while serving Telugu-speaking people from both states. In a shocking turn of events, police officers were forced to open fire in the air to deter a four-member gang that allegedly attempted to attack them in Chilkalgura on Saturday on June 22nd. The incident occurred during the early hours on Saturday when the gang tried to snatch a mobile phone from an officer involved in a deco operation. In self-defense, one of our constables discharged a warning shot into the air, compelling the gang to immediately surrender. They are now in custody and are being questioned, stated the official. The official further revealed that the police have been conducting this deco operation for the past month, resulting in the arrest of 8 cell phone snatching gangs to date. Health Minister Damodar Raja Narasimha on Friday said that the foundation stone would be laid for a new building for the Osmania hospital at an alternative place soon. On Friday, Health Minister inaugurated MRI machine procured with around 14 crores, a new kitchen worth rupees 1.5 crores, and also renovated medical OP with a cost of rupees 35 lakh. The minister visited the hospital and interacted with the doctors, staff, and also few patients. Speaking in the program, Raja Narasimha said that the treatment was needed for Osmania Hospital. It was a vast history. It is a pride of Hyderabad and Telangana. It is painful that the hospital is in such a condition. We have to appreciate the services of doctors. Soon, foundation stone will be laid for the hospital building at an alternative place if the High Court does not permit demolition. Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy and also the government is committed towards the improvement of Osmania, said the Health Minister Raja Narasimha. A woman on an early morning walk was attacked by around 10 to 15 stray dogs Chitrapuri Hills in Manikonda on Saturday, sparking massive outrage. However, she managed to escape despite bite injuries. CCTV footage of the attack setting off a massive debate about threats from stray dogs. According to the victim husband, she began fending with a slipper in her hand, but the dog bites her. Amidst this, a biker came along, seeing whom the dogs moved away. Two members of burqa-clad gang that attempted a daring day by robbing a jewelry shop in Mitchell on Thursday, June 20. They were arrested by Cyberabad police. The arrested were identified as Nazim Aziz Kotadia, age 36, and Sheikh Sohail, 23 years old, a scrap dealer with 7 criminal cases. The third accused, Salman, is absconding. Police Commissioner Avinash Mohanty said the arrests were made early on Saturday morning near Nampal railway station. A stolen motorbike, a black burqa, gloves, a bag, and 2 mobile phones were recovered from the suspects. Mohanty said that 16 dedicated teams went through footage from 161 CCTV near the crime scene to attract the suspect. They have received the information about the crime within 10 minutes. The police were very close to the scene, allowing for a swift response. Bike used in the crime were stolen from Hafshiguda 4 days earlier. The suspected traveled from Osmania University police station limits to Chadar Ghat Mir Chowk and then to Charminar. Team in this area was also alert to track the suspects. It was found that the accused was having a previous involved in a robbery Chadar Ghat as well. Major DCP and Kottareddy said. In a move to support and empower underprivileged girls, the Indian Postal Department organized Spurti, a program in which 100 Sukanya Samriddhi accounts were opened. In addition, Indian Post Payment Bank digital accounts were also opened for mothers and guardians of the girls. The event were organized at Jamia Osmania Post Office under the supervision of Postmaster General T.M. Srilata and saw participation from 64 UPSC 2024 rank holders who felicitated the opening of this account. Since the inspection of the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, a small deposit scheme for girl children by the central government in 2015, over 3.89 crore accounts have been opened nationwide until April 2024. Of these, 10.54 lakhs accounts were opened in Telangana. MS Srilata said many young women have utilized these funds from this account for their education and marriages in a timely manner. She added, stressing that every girl should have such an account to ensure financial self-sufficiency in future. The chief key holder and caretaker of Kaba Sheikh Saleh A.I. Shaibi passed away on Saturday, June 22nd. The burial will take place at the A.I. Mualla Cemetery in Makkah. Sheikh Saleh A.I. Shaibi was the 109th successor of Uthman bin Talha, a companion of Prophet Muhammad. The key of the Kaaba was handed over to his companion by the Prophet. The descendant of the Prophet companions have been inheriting the key since then. He took over as caretaker of the Kaaba in 2013. The family has been serving as caretaker of the Kaaba for centuries, and A.I. Shabi was the 77th caretaker from the same family. Official of the Food Safety Department, Telangana on Thursday, June 20, conducted raids on pickle making units in Hyderabad and found several violations. At a pickle making unit named VRB Foods, IDH Ellapalli officials found that the water analysis report for the RO water being used as an ingredient is not available with the food business operator, and the parts of the packing machinery were found to be rusted. Houseflies were observed inside manufacturing premises. Insect-proof screen were not found. Some food handlers were not found wearing aprons and hair caps. Medical fitness certificate for food handlers and pest control record for the premises are not available with the FBO. FSSAI license copy was received at the office premises. A FASTag certificate was available for the supervisor working at the premises. An analytic report for the food article being manufactured at the said premises was being done from NABA, accredited laboratory. A press release from the Commissioner of Food Safety said, taking an important step amidst the controversies surrounding the NEET and UGC NET exams. The center has notified a stringent law which was passed in February to prevent paper leaks and cheating. The notification of the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024 comes just a day after Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan was asked about when it would be implemented. The minister had said the law minister was framing the rules under the act which came into effect on Friday. Any person or persons found guilty of leaking a paper or tampering with answers sheets will receive a minimum jail term of 3 years. This can be extended to 5 years with a fine of up to rupees 10 lakh. All offence under the act will be cognizable and non-bailable. Examination service providers who have knowledge about possible offence but not report it can be fined up to rupees 1 crore. During the investigation, if it is established that any senior official from the service provider had allowed or was involved in committing the offence, he will face imprisonment for a minimum of 3 years, which can go up to 10 years, and a fine of rupees 1 crore. If the examination authority or the service provider commits an organized crime, the jail term will be a minimum of 5 years and a maximum of 10, and the fine will remain rupees 1 crore. The notification mentioned Bharatiya Navya Sanhita but adds that the provision of the Indian Penal Code will remain in effect until it is implemented. The Sanhita and the other criminal laws are scheduled to come into effect on July 1st. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has decided to postpone the NEET PG entrance examination, which was scheduled to be held today on June 23rd. The ministry has stated that the new date will be announced soon. According to the ministry, the decision was taken keeping in view the recent incidents of allegation where the integrity of certain competitive examinations were questioned. Ministry of Health has decided to undertake a thorough assessment of robustness of processes of NEET PG entrance examination conducted by the National Board of Examination for medical students. It has accordingly been decided as a precautionary measure to postpone the NEET PG entrance examination scheduled to be held tomorrow, that is 23rd June 2024. It said, adding further that the fresh date of the examination will be notified at the earliest. Miapur land row 2000 strong mob melted stone on the police force and chased them away in Miapur on Saturday. The occupant refused to vacate the government land in Miapur, spread around 600 acres land worth crores of rupees on Saturday. They decided the survey number 100 and 101 Miapur village, Sherlingampalli, and divided themselves into groups, pelted stone on the police and tried to damage their vehicle. The injured cops were initially moved to a safer location, came back with additional force and started retaliating. Several people from the Hyderabad neighboring districts thronged the place, demanding that as they were denied 2 BHK houses by the BRS government, they now wanted to build their houses on Miapur land. There is Supreme Court status quo related to this land and no activity is allowed here. G. Veera Reddy, HMDA, Estates and Land Acquisition of told to the protest, if you build herds or demand land ownership, then you will face criminal charges. It will contempt of court, he warned. Union Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the fast-track immigration trusted traveller program at Indira Gandhi International Airport on Friday. This initiative aims to revolutionize the travel experience for Indian national and overseas citizens of India car holders by making it faster, easier and more secure. This program is stepped towards modernizing Indian immigration system and improving travel efficiency for Indian citizens and OCI card holders. A thief died after he was attacked by two workers in self-defense after he stabbed one of the workers and tried to flee with mobile from the under construction site in Asif Nagar police station in the early hours of Saturday. The incident reported only 1 hour after City Police Commissioner Kottakota Srinivas Reddy reached Asif Nagar police station at around 2 am and inspected and reportedly tested in person the condition of the weapon at the police station, the source said. The incident occurred at 3 am when the thief barged into ground floor of a 5-story under construction site in Santosh Nagar, Gudi Malkapur and 3 Sheikh Sanwar and Sheikh Salim with a knife when they prevent the thief from stealing the phone. Both brothers managed to overpower the thief and attack him with sticks after he stabbed Sanwar on his leg. Venkateshwarlu, inspector of Asifa Nagar police, said. India and Bangladesh on Saturday signed 10 agreements, including 7 new MOUs and 3 renewed ones after Prime Minister Narendra Modi and visiting Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina held talk here on further strengthening bilateral ties. 13 announcements were also made on the occasion, including e-visa for medical patients from Bangladesh and opening of a new Indian consulate in Rangpur in Bangladesh. 3 of the new MOUs are vision documents in the sphere of digital partnership, green partnership and blue economy. Watch the channel, press the bell icon to get latest notification of news. Like, share and subscribe my channel.